Hey drone nerds, Matt here. When the DJI Avata came to market, it really made it easy for pilots to experience FPV, quite possibly for the first time. The motion controller RC is so intuitive, I could give this to someone who has never flown a drone before, and within minutes, turn them into a confident pilot able to capture amazing cinematics. So it only makes sense that DJI took an amazing platform and made it even better. Let's go over all the specs and compare the Avata 1 to the new Avata 2. Let's first talk about flight time. With the Avata 1, you could see up to 18 minutes of max flight time. Now, with the Avata 2, you can see up to 23 minutes of max flight time. That's an increase of 5 minutes. Next, let's talk about operational range. The Avata 1 used the DJI O3 Plus transmission system, giving you 6.2 miles of operational range. Now, comparing that to the Avata 2, it uses the DJI O4 video transmission system, giving you 8 miles of operating range. Now, that's an increase of 1.8 miles. Now let's talk about internal storage of these two drones. The Avata 1 has 20 gigabytes of internal storage, and the Avata 2 has 46 gigabytes of internal storage. That's 26 gigabytes more storage than before. Both of these drones are designed to fly in close proximity to objects or indoors. The Avata 1 has downward-facing positioning sensors, and now with the Avata 2, you have downward-facing positioning sensors as well as rear-facing positioning sensors. So now let's discuss the FPV cameras on both of these drones. With the Avata 1, it features a 1/1.7-inch CMOS super wide-angle camera. And with the Avata 2, it features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS super wide-angle camera. The Avata 1 supported 4K video resolution at 60 frames per second. The Avata 2 does the same, 4K at 60 frames per second. However, this is HDR video, so you're going to get that high dynamic range. And we can't discuss video resolution and frame rates without also talking about color profiles. The Avata 1 features D-Cinelite color mode, and the Avata 2 features 10-bit D-Log-M color mode, which gives you that increased range in post-production. So we've discussed the drones themselves. Let's now talk a little bit about some of the supporting FPV equipment, the FPV goggles. You've got the DJI Goggles 2 here, which are fantastic goggles for that HD video feed and crispy picture when you're flying. Moving on to the Goggles 3, the first thing that you'll notice is that the battery has been integrated into the strap, and I really like this improvement. You're also going to notice that you have two forward-facing cameras, so you can fly with picture-in-picture mode, one from your drone, one from the goggles themselves, so you can see your surroundings when you're flying. Next, let's move on to the motion controllers. If I put them up side by side, you can tell that the RC Motion Controller 3 is a little bit more compact of a design. However, on both of these controllers, the buttons are very intuitive, making it easy to find your controls inside of your FPV goggles. So, tell me, which one's better? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you'd also like to shop Avatas or their accessories, click the link in the description. And also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Matt. Happy flying!